It is a scary story. There are millions without power in Texas and parts of Louisiana, Oklahoma, all up and down the spine, if you will, of the Midwest. Basically, here's what's happened. This ultra deep freeze, not the coldest on record, but close to the coldest ever recorded, is causing this massive surge in power demand. Everybody's trying to crank the heat. So the power companies are trying to crank it up. The problem is there's a lot of shortages in power availability. Some of that has been caused by pipeline issues. Some of that has been caused by wind turbines, Joe, simply freezing and not being able to spin. Remember, 23% of Texas is the wind capital of the United States. 23% of their power is generated by wind, and a large portion of that is not spinning. Either it's frozen or it's frozen too tight that there's not enough wind onshore. There's more offshore that it can rotate that. You've also got other issues with more traditional supplies. To cap that off, and we talk about these short squeezes in GameStop, well, that's kind of happening, guys, in the electricity market as well, because the power distributors and the power suppliers, they're having to go into the open market to buy electricity. We don't think it works like that, but it does. I'll give you guys some examples. All right, natural gas. We'll bring up the nat gas chart, and it'll show that natural gas is wholesale trading at $3 and change. Look at that. See, there you go. But people are buying nat gas, Joe, at $2, $3, and $400, not $3, because they either are contractually obligated to buy at any price or they need it. We've talked about wholesale electricity prices that have gone up more than 1,000% in 24 hours in parts of Texas. It won't last forever, but right now that's causing rolling blackouts. As many as 3+ million Texans do not have power right now, which means no heat and often no water. No heat when it's 5 degrees outside, guys, is a dangerous and scary situation.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.